Hey everyone, Chris here, your warranty claims assistant from Warranty Valet. Today, I'm guiding you through the steps to file a warranty claim for Chicago Cutlery. Make sure to subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides and tips on warranty claims. First things first, our website has a simple, 3-step guide to claiming your Chicago Cutlery warranty. It's super easy. 1. Head over to our Warranty Valet website and read through the 3 steps. 2. Find the contact methods for Chicago Cutlery on our site. You can reach them via email or call them at 800-999-3436. Monday to Friday, from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. ET. Did you know? Chicago Cutlery is a sub-brand of Corel. So, you'll need to visit the official Corel brand's website corel.com. Here's what to do. 1. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Customer Care Center button. 2. On the Contact page, you'll see 6 headings. Click on the last one to get in touch with the customer support team. 3. Fill out the form with your personal and purchase information and attach an image of your product. After verifying your claim, you'll qualify for a replacement. And before we wrap up, remember, if you ever run into difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, visit the Warranty Valet website. We've helped countless customers, and we're here to help you too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more warranty claim. See you next time.